I'm going to interview you in an English accent, and you have to do an American one the whole time.
How good is your British accent?
Horrible.
Horrible. When people feel like there's a beginning, then it's like...
Such a pressure. It's anticipation.
It's like to perform. Whereas if you're just like, it's rolling, it's happening, you're into it.
I even would love you in here, well, I'm sure they're fine now. Even adjusting the mics, it's all part of it.
It's like B-roll.
Totally.
You could use a little clip.
Yeah. I was like, I want to time lapse it.
And what's good? And how many of these have you done?
You're literally my second one. I just had my first one.
Oh my God. You did one today?
Yeah.
My God, how did it go?
Really good.
Really good.
Nice.
Yeah.
Whenever I do these things, I never know how to sit. People like
you sit however you
people
want.
who are pros or
Right now, it's good.
You look so great and comfortable. Please don't feel underdressed. I went back and forth between, do I even wear shoes?
Nice.
Part of me wants to just have my dogs out
Yeah,
and my
yeah,
socks on and bunched up in the chair, and I'm sure there will be a point where I get to that. But I was just,
Also
it was too much pressure picking a pair of socks. Like, what socks am I
I was gonna say sock up because otherwise.
I don't know when he's second time we're saying this today. It's a different kind of podcast.
Like shoes, you could tell who the person is also, which is kind of.
That's interesting.
You get the toes out and you get.
You can leave them on, but you're welcome to take them off too.
You're
happy?
I'm okay.
I'll be crisscross applesauce at some point. You just wait.
Okay, nice. But no, that's good. I feel like some of the other stuff I've done, I've tried to dress up, and then it's like I don't. This doesn't quite suit.
It needs to be you.
Yeah.
The whole point of this.
Also, that's why I was like, these jeans, they got paint on them.
I love that they do.
They're literally from my thing, so it's like on brand.
I was hoping that you would wear something that represented you.
Nice.
That's literally the point. I mean, even down to the room. Obviously, it's not natural to have lights coming at you or like a microphone in front of your face, but everything else about the room, even down, we were just talking about the depth of the chair. I tried to think of every little thing so that you just feel like you're in your friend's living room. A nice living room, but
a nice living, an upmarket
clean living room. But I wanted it to feel kind of like a WeWorky, like you go for a working session.
I think you've nailed it.
Really though, you could be honest.
I think it looks awesome. I mean, I also, from my perspective of having shot stuff like this, knowing you've got the different textures in the background, the plant, the this to make some visual interest, but it's not overwhelming. I think that's
good.
Nailed it. And also
because you're more than
welcome to
add pointers.
I kind of the neutral color palette as as well.
I'm very Scandinavian in my taste, so this is a lot for me.
This is a lot for you.
The rug is okay because it's still brown and cream.
Yeah.
I love it.
Do you see much of the? Do you see the rug? Yeah, I guess
do
in the
you?
wide.
See a little bit
Yeah.
But this is not a color that I would be painting my bedroom.
No. But for the purpose of shooting, it probably makes more sense.
For the purpose of shooting.
So
actually,
Dakota
interviewing you today.
Yeah, what up, man?
What's up, brother?
Yeah.
Shoot. I'm actually going to interview you.
Oh, please do.
What do you think of that?
We can
Nice.
swap her. I think that looks great. You're gonna crop in.
I know.
Anyway, right?
I just want a little bookshelf in it. That's why I'm being funny.
I'm just gonna do a slate.
Sorry, let me
Episode 2.
do my American.
What is that thing called?
Slate.
A slate?
We need a slate.
Yeah,
a slate.
people also love a slate.
Let's get a slate.
It feels very. I used to have one that I didn't need to use it to sync the sound, but I would do it for clients because they were
That's what it's actually for, to sync the sound.
Yeah.
That's why we do it. So then you can see on the clips where the big peak is.
Got it.
How's that? Sound good?
Sounds fucking great.
You ready, Freddie?
Beautiful.
All
Yeah, let's
right.
just get into
Let's
it.
get into
all right?
it.
Stop messing around.
Stop messing around. Today I'm sitting down with Duncan Smith.